So after that last session at the mystery pond, where I caught a million rudd and that beautiful Crucian right at the end of the session, I'm heading back. Just heading through the what used to be an old coppice woodland. So I was actually stood on this bank just here last time, and look how far it's dropped. And here we are back at the mystery pond. Actually, he's all there. So happy with that. We are talking pure Crucian. Hat-trick Crucian. Number 4. Could be the smallest one of the day, that. A lovely rudd.